Hi guys, Jensho here, back with another video. Exactly a week ago I did the review on the Boltt fitness band. So if you watched my review, you would have known that I didn't like that band. So what I did was I returned it to Amazon, and now I purchased a new fitness band. So it's called the Lenovo HW02. I received it today from Amazon. So I'll be unboxing it today, and just like last time, I'll be dropping a review somewhere soon, next week or the week after that. So stay tuned guys. Without any further ado, let's get into this video. So guys, this is my nice little table, and this is the product from Amazon with a sticker showing lithium-ion battery. Stay safe. My address, let's keep it there, and here's my signature use of tool to, what you can say, to cut it open. So what I'm using this time is a 15 number surgical blade. I'll just show it to you. As you can see, okay, let me focus. Okay, this is a pretty little dangerous device. Okay, so let's just open the box and see what's inside. What the hell? Wow, this package is very small guys, and I guess this is the invoice. Okay, that's the invoice, and that's the package, and okay, let's actually unbox the product. I'll just keep these aside. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, let's unbox this. This thing is cool. I don't want to damage the box. So I'm just cut this card, and whoa, this thing is very small. Okay. This is the actual band, I guess. Yeah, this is the band. It looks cool. And there is some covers. And what we have in the box is we have a little quick start guide. It says in English, Chinese, I guess that's Japanese, and the mode the employ Spanish or something. I don't know. Okay, so we have a warranty card, what is PAI, personal activity intelligence, so that thing, and there's another thing here. Ooh, they've added cable for charging, and what I saw the reviews was this thing was magnetic. Yep. Wow, this sounds so good. I just love the sound of that. So it's magnetic. This is my first magnetic charging cable. So this is what you get in the box guys. A box, some paperwork, an actual band. Pardon me about that sweat. It's really hot in Tirupati here, so I'll just keep the blade out. So this is what you get. So on the box it says Lenovo featuring Pi, that is personal activity intelligence, and this side it says MRP 3,299 and all that stuff, and on this side there's nothing. So on this box it has some features like personal activity intelligence information, notifier, pedometer, heart rate monitoring, and all that specifications. Best thing about this is it has a waterproof level of IP67, so that is a great thing about this. So I'll just keep the box aside for now, and let's see if this thing can switch on. It's not switching on right now. I guess the battery is down. I'll get back to you when this thing is charged up and ready. Okay, so I charged it for a bit and tried to wake it up, but the charge is down again, I guess. But okay guys, I'll show you the whole working thing in the full review. But here's the band itself, model HW02 Plus. The strap is permanently fixed. The display has a matte finish to it. So this is the unboxing of the Lenovo HW02 Plus. If you did like it, please leave a like, and if you would like to see more of this stuff, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video soon guys. Bye.